Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix EA app error code EC10500. In this video, seeing before like and comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem fix it. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu. Click on the power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Sometimes this method works, just try it, then go to the next step. Run as admin, EA app. So go to the desktop, that EA app game select and right click, then click on the properties, then go to the camera tab, then check for select the camera mode. Below check for select the run this program as administrator. Once you select, hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it. Then continue follow to next step. Run as admin. Yeah, here already. And at the next step are the DNS server address changes. So go to that control panel. You can click to open it. Then go to the network and internet. Then click on the network and sharing center. Then go to the change adapter settings. We are go to your connected adapter select and right click on the properties. Then go to the internet protocol version 4. Then below click on the properties. The select use the following DNS server address. Prefer DNS server address for 8.8.8.8 alternative DNS server address. 8.8.4.4 fulfill, like hit the OK and close it, like that hit the OK and close it, then come to back, then go to the next step, reset internet connection. So open the settings, then click to open it, then go to the network and internet, then scroll down, click on the advanced network settings, again scroll down, click on the network reset, then you can click on the reset now button. After that 5 minutes wait, automatically restart your system, then your problem fix it. Sometimes if you are connect VPN, just disable your VPN connection. After that check it your game, then your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, subscribe to comment, I give the answer or I will make a video. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.